Hey, welcome to Smokey Pete's Barbecue. Today, guys, we're going to do a stuffed poblano pepper. You're going to love what you see. Everybody, we're in here today. We're going to do the smoked poblano peppers. And what we did is we roasted them. I put them on the smoker out there for about an hour and a half. I put a little olive oil on them. That just roast them up so we can take the skin off. What we've done, I've already got one of them got skin off. We'll get the rest of them here in a minute. But we're going to stuff these with a chorizo sausage, corn, black bean, cream cheese stuffing. Then we're going to put them back on the smoker and we're going to have them ready to go. So let me get started off. Got one of them already peeled, and we'll stuff this one, get the stuffing ready, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're going to show you how we're going to do the mixture right here. We've got a beef chorizo and sausage that we've already pre-cooked. We're going to come in, we're going to put some corn in here. And it's just regular old off the cob corn. Put some corn in there. We're going to come in with some black beans. Black beans are just a good, healthy protein to put in there. And then we're going to come in with some of our smoked cream cheese. Now on the cream cheese that you put in here, you can use regular cream cheese. We like what we do when they're smoking it. And if you want to see how we smoke it, go to the video. We'll have a link below that you can look at it and be able to do that. So we're going to come in here, we're going to put a couple of these in here. And today I smoked these with Holy Voodoo from Meat Church and Hot Barbecue by Malcolm Reed. How to barbecue right. We'll get this in here. We're going to mix it up really well. Today we're using about 12 ounces of cream cheese is what we're using, which if you go just buy a block, it is 8 ounces, so it's about a block and a half of what you get at the store. We're going to mix this up in here real well. We used about a cup of corn. I saved a little bit left over, and we used about a cup of the black beans. So okay, I'm going to get this mixed up, and then we will be right back and show you how we're going to put them in the peppers. Okay, we've got our stuffing all mixed up, and I'm going to show you real quick how I do my poblanos when I do them. I do them just like I do my jalapenos on my popper. I come in here, find out where the stem is right there, come in, cut it down so you get seeds out of it. Just cut her straight down the middle so you can open it up. We're going to open up and just take the seeds out. You can leave a few seeds if you need them, but the way I've got this set up right there, it opens that up completely, and when I go back to stuff it, I'll wrap it all back up in there and we'll have it ready to go. So let me wash these out real quick, and then we'll be back up and I'll show you how to stuff. Okay, we've got our poblanos cleaned out. Now I was going to tell you a little bit ago too that, you know, the difference between a poblano and a jalapeno is a jalapeno is quite a bit hotter. So if you don't like a lot of heat, you can sure do these poblanos and do them any way you want to do them. And they're a great pepper. They do have a little bit of a bite, but not a lot. I did take the seeds out, and I hit the ribs just a little bit so we can do that. So, and we're just going to stuff it in here. And there's a lot of different ways to do this, but I use a spoon. Put that in there. We'll go to the next one. I'll get these done up, and then we'll head to the smoker and we'll go from there. Okay, we've got everything stuffed. They look delicious. What we're going to do is we're going to top them off a little bit of the Holy Gospel from Meat Church and put it on here just to give it that little bit of extra, because you never have too much of the good stuff. Now that we got that, we're going to come on with a little bit of of a cheese, and I like that Mexican 4 cheese. And we're going to just top it up, top it off, and then we're going to head to the smoker. And have this ready to go. So let me get these put together. We'll get out the smoker, show you what we're going to do out there, and we'll go have a great time. Okay, we're out here to the smoker. Today we're going to do this one on our Traeger. We're going to run it about 250 for probably 45 minutes to an hour. Everything's really already cooked. We're just going to get the cheese and everything hot, ready to go. So we're going to put these on the smoker. I put them on them wire racks, that way you don't have to really mess with a whole lot. So we've got it on there. We're going to let that cheese melt down, let everything come together in it. And we'll see y'all back in just a little bit. Okay, we're back out here at the Traeger. We're going to pull these poblanos off. You talk about looking good now. They've been on about 45 minutes. So we're just going to take them off, take them in the house, and get ready to eat. Look at that. Okay, we're back inside. We got the poblanos off. They look great. I mean, just take a look and see what we've got right here. Now, just a little bit of recap. What we did is we took a chorizo, a beef chorizo, and some sausage. We mixed it up with some corn, some black beans, and some smoked cream cheese. Mixed it all together, put it in there, topped it off with a little bit of meat church, and then we topped it off with a little Mexican 4 cheese. So we've been letting them rest here for a few minutes. I'm about to get tired of letting them rest. I think I'm going to go ahead and take a bite, so we'll get to going right here. Hey, I've been waiting a long time. I'm about tired of waiting. This looks great. I'm going to get me a bite in here. Get it up on a fork. You can see the mixture I've got in there. You see the black beans. You can see the corn, piece of pepper on there. The smell off that is just over the top. I don't know how you can get any better than that. Okay, we'll get us a bite here real quick. The smokiness coming off that smoker. The taste of that chorizo, that pepper. It's not hot. Got a little bit of a bite. Not hot at all. This is amazing. This is something we'll have. You can have it for any party. Anything you have, you will like it. Y'all be sure and go on and like and subscribe. If you got a comment, put it below. Let me see what you got. If you've done something a little better than I have, great. I would like to learn from y'all if I can do any of that. Also, be sure and hit that bell so you get that ding, ding, ding. Get that notification when we put out a new video. Y'all come see us now here.